everyone, the Cloud Analogy team is back with another informative video on Salesforce Lightning Messaging Services, LMAS. Introduced to the Winter 20 release by Salesforce, Lightning Messaging Service in the out-of-the-box functionality and empowers you to communicate between Visualforce and Lightning components, including Aura, Web components, and Lightning Web components. Today we will discuss LMS usage, the benefits of LMS, how we will be assisted by the clients, wherein the clients are the requirements based on LMS. Lightning Message Service is the first Salesforce technology that simplifies communication between Visualforce, Lightning Web components, and Aura components on a Salesforce Lightning page. LMS gives you better communication between Visualforce and Lightning component pages, and you can easily migrate from Classic to Lightning experience. Simply putting, an LMS prevents you from getting rid of existing Visualforce pages and completely replacing them with new Lightning components. Uses of Lightning Messaging Service enables communication between the Visualforce page, Lightning Web, and Aura components. Access Lightning Messaging Service API to publish messages through Lightning Experience. Help in subscribing to messages that originated from anywhere within Lightning Experience via Lightning Message Channel. Certain namespaces are associated with Lightning messaging channels. Developers can choose whether their messaging channel should be accessible to other nameplaces to ensure the security of communication in the Lightning Message Service. Benefits of Lightning Messaging Service: increased development time. For example, if Visualforce or Lightning component tries to route an unavailable message channel, then the code would not compile. LMS offers referential integrity between the code that routes them and the message channel. This limits the deletion of messages channels conveyed by other codes. Lightning Message Services supports auto adding message channels to packages. Let me now walk you through the project wherein the client had the following requirements. A user interface needs to be created for the login users from where users could pass the information between the two components. One component is present in the utility and another component is present in the record page. The utility has a Visualforce page. Let me show you how we assisted our clients to cater to their needs. Here are the solutions which we provided. Build an Aura Lightning component in Salesforce. Build Visualforce page in Salesforce. Use LMS to communicate information between components. Use the validation rule and formula field. Use the utility functionality in Salesforce. Let me now show you the demo. When I make a call, you can see the information from here to this component is passed using LMS. Let me now end this session and refresh it. LMS is being used to other cases as well. Let me show you how. Here we can see that this is one of the Lightning component and this is another Lightning component. To communicate the data between two components, we use LMS. Here you can see the active session on the TTK campaign. And here we have given the two options because one related code is already present for another component for another campaign. So we have provided the two options, one is active one and another is already presented from the grid. So this is why these two are shown here. So let's see. If I press this second campaign and the data will be transferred from the Lightning component to here and the campaign will be reactivated. And this is the new campaign which is displayed here. So this is the LMS we are using here. One from the Visualforce to the Lightning component, then from the Lightning component to another Lightning component. That's all for the video. To stay on the top of the Salesforce platform and learn how to make the most out of it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you need any help in getting started with CRM development, integration, customization, get in touch with Cloud Analogy and hire the best Salesforce application development company now.